Afternoon, everyone. Welcome today, yes, almost end of the working week, almost weekend. In today's newspaper on Friday, August the 18th, 2023, we have here two regular puzzles. The first one I've already solved, the medium Sudoku, and the second one is the Tectonic. I will start in a moment with the Tectonic. The jigsaw puzzle, aka jigsaw Sudoku, and this one will be number 6943. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've showed you the front page. It's the end of the holiday season, yes, because Monday all the schools will be open. Yeah, the children need to go to the school. Yes. All right. Tectonic, and before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits, and it's a 9 by 11. 9 by 11. All right. I think it's a 1 star because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, here 1, there 1, always a 1. Let me put the 1 in that box. Alright. Next question, do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Let me check. No dual boxes in this puzzle. Triple boxes then contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I see only 1. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers, the 1 and 3, could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 5 here in the same area, so this box should be a 4 then. Alright, more triple boxes. No. Quadra boxes then. The next question, do we have quadra box? I see here quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quadra box, but in a L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box is always a 5. Alright, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy is, here we have another quadra box. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this shape, yes, that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. And we have more of this kind of shapes, not only one of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yes, here. Upside down. This box has the same name as that box. Okay. Do we have more? Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. And here another one, also rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers, so let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or there, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this area could be here, could be there. That means that in this quarter box, those 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this quarter box could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Oh, wait. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra L shape for number 3. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 3, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3 and the 4 are missing. 3 and a 4. Okay. Then this box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, and this box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this cross area should be there. Then this box can be a 1, that box. Oh wait. Yeah, I need to wait. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Well, these 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. All right. Well. Let me see. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. 1 and a 4. Okay, 3 and a 4. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 3. Well, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 here. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution. Place the 5 there. The only place left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Here. Let me mark those. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4 then, and that box in this area should be a 2 now. And this box, now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 1. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadro box for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution. Place the 2 there. If I place the 2 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2, but we already have a 2 there. So not the solution. Place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution. Place the 5 there, because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here in the same area. So not the solution. Place the 5 there. The 5 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there, because if I place a 4 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 3, is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. And 1 box left in this area for number 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because 3, 1 should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finishing 50 minutes. Well. 50 minutes. Well, is it a 1 star? Let me give this a 2 stars because I'm not faster than 50 minutes. But I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Friday.